Starting off for the vlog, I am at the top of the trail. New bike. He sold his other bike to get that. It's a vintage mountain bike from the 1980s.
I try that.
That looks so sick. Look at those road bike wheels.
Is that a fucking polygon?
On the road bike. Yeah. Whoa.
Ah.
Yeah, do a table. Oh, what the hell? That worked perfectly.
Taste it a little now.
Oh, sick. Send it. Oh, you're like carving on it. Sick.
Oh my god!
Bro, you're tabling better on that bike than your normal bike. Seriously.
This thing is actually the freaking beast.
It's probably because it's just so light. Because it's so small and thin.
And tiny too.
I know. So it's like a trick bike.
Do you have enough speed though? Like
Just
any
pump
speed?
the section.
Yeah,
Don't
use your brakes. Take a
get a little boost. Here we pumped it. Come on. Bala, show the seat suspension. Look at that. Oh my gosh, you can sit down going down St. Louis, I bet. Just like sit down. No, they should make bikes like that. It'd be so much more relaxing.
cruiser mountain bike.
Yeah, so you just could sit down while going down double block trails. Biggest hill of life. That wasn't even a good table.
Bala's table is like the same size as yours.
No. Right, you kept your knees at that one. Don't try to wall ride the rocks. Like go on those two rocks right there you're on right now, but go straight. Don't try to wall ride because you'll, yeah, I don't know, just. Send it on the road bike. Yes. This proves that you don't have to have a good bike to be pro. You can. Okay, we got to the very top of Callahale.
Got the new blade.
Yeah, I don't think he can get any higher than this. Gonna hit some gnarly rock. Yeah, gonna hit some gnarly rock sections.
Bro, what a great view.
No. Smile for the camera. Yes. Hopefully he doesn't snap his bike in half or something like that. Oh, yeah. Yes. Shit, I almost slid out. Yo. Yeah. Send it. Lost a piece. Lost a piece on the bike. But still going. Bala's determined to finish this run. Oh, are you gonna hit that? Oh, come on. Yeah. Why don't you hit it? Hit the little rock drops. Nice case. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Full speed at this section. Bro, you need to hit the step up. Are you gonna hit it?
Nah, that's like...
Wait. Hit the step up, Bala.
Yeah, hit the step up.
Come on. Ooh. That was sick. Yes.
Dude, you were actually...
How's it with no suspension, basically?
Brutal. My fingers felt like I was stuck open.
Yeah, at least you've experienced it. You know what it's like to ride a road bike on the mountain.
Yeah.
27.5. I actually noticed the difference going around corners. It felt way better.
Well, you need to show them that the front suspension doesn't work. Just to show how bad the suspension is. Pressing down as hard as you can. Not even, yeah, not even moving.
Some old rim brakes. No chain. No dropper post.
Some like vintage 1980 model.
Yeah. The handlebars are a little loose now.
Epic.
It's the bike.
Yes, works.
Shreds.
I know, you're like shredding around the corners and stuff. Oh, what the hell?
The spot was, look at how loose that is.
Oh my gosh, what if it just snapped off when you're going down?
Oh, you would have gone like face first and like impaled yourself on the stem.
I felt like I was gonna go over the bars so many times at that first top section.
What?
I was like sliding around.
Wow.
Dude, yeah, I was literally like fishtailing like crazy on that, and I had like fat tires and stuff. I don't know how
Did you do the rocks that section?
Yeah, I always do that.
Slips off all the time. Like half slips off.
The sick plastic default pedals that you always need to have on bikes. Did you press the brake once going down the main trail?
Nope.
Yes.
I couldn't even get enough speed.
Mission accomplished. What? I never said anything. I said I wanted you to try that actually.
Yeah, that was Nicole that was saying it.
Nicole's just all bike techie. The moral of the story, just find a shitty bike in the dumpster and start mountain biking before you get your proper bike, because it actually works. So you don't need a $5 bike for your first rides.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. I'm exhausted. You want me to follow you down? Okay. No, I'm in the wrong gear. That was sketchy. Whoa. The side trail is right here. Go straight. Well, my helmet isn't even buckled. Bro, wait up. You need to go. Ball's in a rush to get back. Sender. That was sick. Ending the vlog here. Epic. Make sure to subscribe. Yep.